Welcome back to my channel. In this special moment, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Taufiq Hidayat, number register 19.55.2071. I'm a cadet Polytechnic Bumi Akpen. And here I want to explain to welding and how to work welding. Okay, let's go welding room 8. To welding rooms, I want to explain to welding. Welding is one of the metal joining techniques by means of partially melting filter metal with or without pressure and with or without adding metal, which produces a continuous connection. The scope of use of welding in construction is very broad, including shielding, brakes, steel frames, pressure vessels, rapid pipes, pipelines, and so on. Equipment needed in the welding process includes main equipment, welding machine. Number 1, electric current, AC or DC. Number 2, electrode holder or electrode pliers or electrode clamp. Number 3, welding cable, electrode cable or mesh cable or power cable. Work safety equipment. Number 1, welding mask to protect the eye from welding rays. Number 2, welding gloves. Number 3, safety shoes.
Welding way. Number 1. Put the material to be welded in the special profile, whether it's using a work table or just putting it on the floor. Adjust the density between the two ingredients. Use clamps if necessary. Number 2. Put the welding machine on one part of the material to be welded. Insert the electrodes on the electrode clamp panel on the welding machine. Install the tilt of the electrode according to the position of the material. Usually, there is a special place for the electrode slope on the electrode clamp pliers, whether it's perpendicular to 90 degrees, 30 or 40 degrees. After the material is ready to be welded, slowly bring the electrode tip to the material to be welded. Number 3. The distance between the electrode tip and the material to be welded greatly affects the quality of the welding. If the distance is too far, there will be sparks, like a shower of fire spots. The welding process will be imperfect. If the distance is too close, the fire does not burn completely, and there is not enough distance for the electrode to melt. A good distance is 1/8 of the thickness of the electrode. Number 3. By using a protective mask or welding goggles, you can pay attention to the part of the electrode that has melted that joins the two materials being welded. slowly move the electrodes along the welded area. Number 4. Good result during the welding process can be seen when the welded surface is soft, like a thick and regular wave that completely covers the welded part. Number 5. When finished, clean the crust that covers the part being welded using a hammer. Double check whether there are parts that are not yet perfect. If not perfect, repeat the parts that are not put together properly. In some cases, the welded material has to be grinded again if the welding is not perfect. But if it's not too fatal, we just need to weld the part that is not perfectly welded.
Thank you for watching and attention. Don't forget to subscribe and click icon bell, like and comment so that I'm always excited about making videos. See you again the next video.